Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to view my activities in Google account on your Chrome browser with just your phone without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. Having opened up your Chrome browser, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on these three dots from the top. And go ahead and click on Customize New Page tab. And go ahead and click on News Feed Discover here, Discover Feed. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Activity Control your Google account. And you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Google My Activity. Click on that. Then you have all your Google account activity right here, such as web and app activity, your timeline, YouTube history. You can scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all your browse activities on your Google account. You can delete as many as possible. For instance, if you want to delete anyone, you want to delete this, just click on this particular icon right here and deleting now. You can delete as many as possible. So right here, you have this election complete. Go ahead and click on got it. It's that simple. So you can review and delete as many as possible Google activity on your Google account. It's that simple. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.